I am Mr. Safety, but I did almost lop my finger off. Why the long face? What is going on, everybody? Today we are going out to do a project. It's about 170 feet of 6 foot tall solid style cedar with one 5 foot wide walk gate. Oh, you got halfway down the line already? Nice. I'll start packing them out and stacking them in the trailer. I think we can get everything in one load.
Some of the, like, see, it's got this, a thinner one on the other side, and so instead of cutting it, the board goes back and forth.
Right, it just wiggles. No. As long as you're okay doing that, because I can do that, and you know, whatever's easier.
Makes me move.
Yeah, Make sure you wear your safety squints as well.
Yeah, I know. I saw all that dust rolling. Yes.
You don't want to do it. We got to do it for mom. Have the safety for mom. Right?
I suppose.
Pops and Ricardo gonna go to the dump, take care of this while I'm gonna lay everything out and get the mini skid and start punching holes. I don't know why I thought it'd be like $200 something, but what did you guess?
I said 183.
And you guessed 185?
Yeah, and it was 189.
But he copied you.
I think all of us kind of.
You guessed 183.
Yeah.
I said 185.
See, that's an old Price is Right trick. Somebody bid.
Yeah.
Next person bids just a couple more bucks.
Yeah.
Without going over.
I bid $1.
I bid $1.
Yeah. Why don't you take the concrete and take it through there, but don't like go into the front, because the front's a little bit tore up from me digging holes. But because Pops is gonna put the line post in there and lean them, and I don't think you're gonna have enough room with the post there to get the skid in.
Do the front side, basically.
Yeah, and just work your way back out. Yep.
Oh, you're such a show.
I know. I have to one up you. That's all.
I'm whining about tearing one of these pins down.
4 foot gate.
5 foot.
5 foot.
It's a 5 foot.
Okay.
Somebody messed up the strap.
Who?
Ricky, that guy.
I didn't mess up the strap.
Oh yeah, he goes, hey, you got it.
Now that the camera's out. Now that the camera is out, you want to say that it's my fault.
At the dump, he goes, hey, you got a knife? I went, a knife? Why? Does it strap's binding? So afterwards, off camera, we're gonna have a new purpose for this strap.
This is a dangerous spot for a monster back here. Should be a beautiful day. It's going to be about 85 today, but it's about 3 or 4 o'clock. So I'm hoping to be out of here by 3 o'clock. Yeah, we're attaching into the house because there's a pretty big foundation down there. Do my little face nail thing here. We had a huge set down in here. It was just not pulling. I tried to pull it with the skid, and man, it just would not come. So got this marked. I'm gonna face nail it there. And I know a lot of guys build fences this way. They just face nail and put the pickets here. And here in the Pacific Northwest, a lot of people just don't like the look of it. I think it's the aesthetic of it. I know it's been suggested and asked, but people just, I don't know if it's because it makes the panel thicker. I'm not really sure why, but I know in the South and Midwest, they do it a lot, but in the Northwest, people just don't like the look of it. 10:07, it's all framed. Pops is putting some screws in. Ricardo's packing the pickets out, and start boarding up front. I'm probably gonna board the whole front side up, and then do the gate while I'm up there. 65 years old and still got it.
Still doing it.
Some guys are just sitting in the recliner.
That's right, sitting in their spinny chair.
Yep.
Muscles by Monster.
That's it. Muscles by Monster, baby. Sugar-free monsters. No, he's talking about you.
You said Mr. Safety. You said you're Mr. Safety.
Okay, I am Mr. Safety, but I didn't almost lop my finger off. You almost lopped your finger off in Oregon on a Comcast job.
Video. No proof.
I should have took that. I had to blur everything out.
Desensitized.
The most amazing part about that whole thing was your finger healed in like 2 weeks.
It helped that I didn't hit a tendon.
Yeah. His finger healed in like 2 weeks. Remember that, Dad?
Oh yeah.
I couldn't believe it. I'm like, how is his finger?
Get hurt. It's like a couple days later. There's nothing.
Yeah, got that youthful blood. Just
Remember those days.
yeah. If we would have got cut like that, it'd have been 2-3 months.
Myself getting stitches back in the days that they gave stitches, like after about 4 or 5 days. Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah. I remember you going to this. I remember you going and getting stitches quite a bit.
Yeah.
I remember you walking in the house and you holding your hand like this. And Mom's like, "What happened? What happened? What happened?" Yeah, why the long face? Nail a couple boards on, and I'm gonna put my hinges on. Gate's gonna open to the outside because it bumps up a little bit right here. How nice of them to like triple tape this so I can't get the hinges out. All right, the gate's all done.
Want your glasses back?
Oh, you're doing great.
No way.
No cutter at the end. And that never happens, Dad.
Never. Even when we plan it out, it doesn't.
Nice. Just space that top out a little bit.
Yeah, can you move this?
Yes. Got you. Bye. Pops has got like, he's the bee whisperer, the wasp whisperer.
I'm leaving
If
before
it flies, it dies.
Hey, I'm leaving before I get stuck. I'll see you all tomorrow.
See you, Ricky. Guys, we're all wrapped up on this project and we'll see you on the next one.